Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stamp Up Demonstrator in Australia. Welcome to my channel. I'm super excited to be sharing with you this really great Easter treat idea. It's part of the monthly tutorial bundle for April, and I'm also sending it to all my team members, the Inky Stampers, for a little Easter treat in the mail. I'm calling it a Matchbook Easter treat holder. That's what we're going to go with anyway. So the supplies I'm using is the mini alphabet dies. These are amazing. The meant to be dies, which are part of a bundle, and it's a online exclusive, so you can see that in the online exclusives area in the online store. We're also using this beautiful Daffodil Delight 1/8 inch ribbon, which is in the mini catalogue. I've got basic rhinestones. We've got the beautiful Lovely Garden DSP. This is absolutely amazing. It's also an online exclusives product, so you'll only find that in the online store. You're not going to see that in the catalogues at all. And what else do we have there? Oh, these, I'm using the Trolley Funny Bunnies, which is a great little individual treats with Easter treats inside. So here is my kit ready to go. I'm starting off with a piece of basic white thick cardstock. This measures 10 by 3. I've also got some scrap there in Daffodil Delight, Fresh Freesia, Melon Mumbo, and basic white thick also. And the two pieces of that beautiful DSP there, that's 2 3/4 by 3 1/4 and 2 3/4 by 3/4 of an inch. Now to make those little bunny ears, when I saw these meant to be dies, I saw the bunny ears straight away. They're actually the wings for the bee, but I thought, well, it's a great way of using that negative of the die, and it also has some really great little flowers in that set as well. So we're going to quickly die cut these. We're going to do basic white. We have the bunny ears, Fresh Freesia, Daffodil Delight, and Melon Mumbo. We're doing the little flowers, and there's like a small, medium, and large die in that meant to be dies. And then with Daffodil Delight, I'm also using the wonderful mini alphabet dies for Easter. Now, I found out if you run it through once, you only need to run it back through for, there's one that, I think there's another one that we needed. I can't really remember. It's been a little while since I made the other ones. But anyway, there's my Easter all ready to go. So to create this little matchbook treat, which is 10 by 3 basic white thick cardstock, we're going to die cut, no sorry, not die cut, we're going to score at 1, 5 1/2 and 5 3/4. I'm going to make sure that they're really well burnished with a bone folder. And this is such a simple little treat idea that you know, can hold lots of different things inside. It actually held the Easter bunnies really well, but I'm sure you could put lots of different things inside. So that little 1 inch tab, I've just folded it over and put a staple in about halfway through, right in the middle. And then we're going to add our little DSP pieces with just some liquid glue. Now while we do that, this is just one of the tutorials in the April tutorial bundle. Now you can purchase this in my online store. No, you can't. You can actually purchase it here in the description of this video, and if the link's not there, it is coming. I don't know, for some reason our monthly tutorial bundles take a little while to get out to us. So if that's something that you would really like, and maybe there's plenty of other different projects in that, you can get that there coming soon. Or if you place an order in my online store, you'll actually receive that PDF absolutely free as well. So there's a couple of ways of being able to get that. But if you're outside of Australia, you can purchase it. If you're inside Australia, you can just purchase in my online store and you'll get that for free. Now for the monthly tutorial bundle, it's a minimum of $65. If you spend over $65, you'll receive both the Simple Sweet Stampers tutorial as well as this one. So lots of great deals there. Alright, so I've just done my little bow in that Daffodil Delight ribbon, and we're just going to attach it to little bunny ears. I did pop those up with dimensionals as well. I'm also going to pop some dimensionals on each of the flowers and pop them down, and adding a basic rhinestone to the middle as well. Now just quickly, as we're going with this, we're also going to add the Easter sentiment down with some liquid glue, and to finish it off I'm also going to add just a little bit of Winker Stella to the bottom parts of the lettering, just to give it a little bit of extra sparkle and shine, as well as the flowers. So yeah, this is just one of the projects, but I really hope that my team enjoy their little gift in the mail. I hope it's a nice little surprise for them for Easter. It is not huge by any means, but you know, anything handmade is always a lovely surprise, and I think, you know, you can't go wrong with just a little treat here and there. But if you are enjoying this video and you would like to support me in any way, I would love it if you gave me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and leave me a comment. Let me know where you're watching from, what you like about this project, you know, anything. I would love to hear your thoughts as well. So we're just adding these down and we'll be finishing this off. I will also have a video coming out with this month's Simple Sweet Stampers tutorial bundle, which is using the Mixed Media suite, which is another online exclusive. Lots of online exclusives at the moment, so keep your eyes out for that video really soon. I've actually got a few videos ready to go. I've just got to do a few voiceovers and get them uploaded. So this month you'll have a few to keep your eyes out for. And this sort of tucks in behind that that folded up 1-inch piece. Now to hold this in place, you could, you know, either use the stapler and staple it in. I've gone with the tear and tape just in the top and bottom. Again, you could just add it to the top rather than the bottom as well. I just wanted it to sit in nice and flat, and I found that by adding the little piece underneath as well really held it in. And as you can see, that little pop of colour of flowers on the bottom with that DSP is really pretty. I've also gone out and just die cut another Melamumbo flower and added another dimensional there as well. And I think, you know, this would be a great little treat to give, you know, to friends, family, just letting people know that you're thinking of them at Easter. Very, very inexpensive. We've used minimal supplies, and actually you could probably get away with a lot of scrap supplies, and I can guarantee that you have in your stash lots of DSP that you could use, you know, flower DSP, all that sort of stuff, and use for Easter. There we go. What do you think? I just love this. I think this is such a sweet idea. Anyway, thank you so much for spending a bit of time with me today. I hope that you have enjoyed the project, and don't forget, give me that thumbs up, leave me a comment, and hit subscribe if you haven't done already, and you can share this video with your friends and family as well. Alright, if I can help in any way with Stampin' Up supplies, you can use my online store. Other than that, I'll be back with another video really soon, so please come back and join me, and I'll see you all really soon. Bye bye everyone.